To see Oscar the Bird King, you have to take a ferry to Vashon Island.
Getting to Vashon Island is a short and scenic adventure. The ferry ride from West Seattle's Fauntleroy Terminal is just 15 minutes of pure Pacific Northwest beauty. As you glide across the water, you'll soak in views of the surrounding islands, and on a clear day, even catch a glimpse of the Seattle skyline fading into the distance. We weren't that lucky. It was pure Seattle overcast the day we went. After that ferry ride, we drove about 12 miles to Point Robinson Park. This 10-acre shoreline park is known for its historical lighthouse and stunning views. Oscar, the largest of Thomas Dambo's trolls, greets visitors at the park. This enchanting troll is not only a giant figure of art, but also a symbol of environmental mindfulness. Oscar's crown of birdhouses made from wood scraps and leftover materials highlights Dambo's commitment to sustainability. Local residents contributed strands of driftwood, shells, feathers, and stones, making Oscar a true community creation. To find Oscar, take the ferry to Vashon Island and drive 12 miles to Point Robinson Park. Oscar sits on a throne not far from the upper parking lot. In our next episode, we'll head to Lincoln Park in West Seattle to hunt for Bruun Idin. Stay tuned.